Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you step by step the new method, the new way, and about 5 minutes or 4 minutes you will be able to install the Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system. So guys, you have ever used the MetaMask wallet inside the Google Chrome. With the same process, step by step I will show you how to download and install the Trust Wallet on your Google Chrome or your Windows operating system. So guys, don't forget that the Trust Wallet is an extension that you newly launched for the Google Chrome, Brave browser, Opera and Firefox. Easily through this video, step by step I will guide you. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, there is two different methods of installing the Trust Wallet inside the Windows operating system. As you can see, here is how to download and install the Trust Wallet inside Windows 11, and there is the next one, how to download and install Trust Wallet on any Windows. These two videos will guide you the easiest way also how you can download and install the Trust Wallet inside the Windows or any Windows operating system. So guys, for installing the Trust Wallet extension, easily you have to open a new tab and type Trust Wallet. As you can see that there is Trust Wallet based cryptocurrency wallet, and click to open. As you can see, the most trusted and secure crypto wallet, it is available on the App Store and on the Google Play. APK file is also available, and there you can see available in the Chrome web store. So click on this to open. So guys, as you can see that now it is an extension that you can easily install it on your Google Chrome on Windows operating system. As you can see that 60,000 users is currently using the Trust Wallet extension. So how you can easily add this? Click on add to Chrome, click on add an extension. So guys, as you can see, the Trust Wallet has been added to the Chrome. So click on this option, click on pin to add the Trust Wallet here. So simply you have to click on that to open the Trust Wallet extension. There is welcome to the Trust Wallet extension. There is, you can see, create a new wallet or import a recover wallet. So for creating a new wallet, you have to click the first option. There you can see that relevant, anonymous, optional, your identity and exact location will not collect it. There you have to click on no thanks or share data if you want to share data. So you can easily click on the share data. So in this case I am clicking the share data. Here you have to enter your password. This password is used to protect your wallet and provide access to the browser extension. It cannot be reset and is separate from your mobile wallet. So here you have to enter your password. There you can see 8 or more characters, at least one uppercase character, at least one digit, and there is at least you have to enter a symbol. Now confirm your password. The next thing is you have to check the box I have read and agree to the terms of use. Click on the proceed option. Once you reach to this window, you have to back up your secret phrase, whether you are taking note on a piece of paper or you are taking the note inside the notepad. So click on the start button. As you can see that your secret phrase, so click on got it. So this is an example phrase or wallet that I'm creating for you because I'm not using this wallet. So simply I will copy this, open up the notepad. Now paste here. So click on the proceed option. Here you have to enter one by one. So the first one is, you can see, album. So guys, once you entered the phrase, so click on the next option. As you can see that congratulations, your wallet has been created. So here is, you can see that the open wallet option is available here. You can click on the pin option. So already the Trust Wallet is pinned on the top. So I will click on the open wallet, click on the got it option. Here I'm ready to use the Trust Wallet. As you can see that there are the chain that you can easily use, that the Avalanche chain, Smart chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana and Smart chain. So you can see easily if you close this window, again if you click on this one, you can see that easily you can use the Trust Wallet with the same that if you used the MetaMask wallet before. If you want to send a coin from here to any other wallet, so click on the send option. You can enter the token address. So if you want to receive, simply, for example, if you want to receive BNB, here you have to copy the wallet address, and this is the method how you can receive on or send. So the next thing is settings. If you want to make any changes, here you can select your network. The next thing is you have to select your languages, and the next thing is you can see set as a default. So I will disable the option. There is share product analytics. There is view secret phrase. If you want to see your phrase or your password, simply you have to enter the password of your wallet and click on the reveal option. As you can see that this is the phrase of the wallet. So guys, the next thing is you can see help and support. You can contact the help center or the support team. The next thing is lock option, or you can check your history. You can check your wallet again here. So if you want to lock the trust wallet, simply click on the lock option. Again, once you locked the trust wallet, if you want to sign in again back, you have to enter your password and click on the unlock option. The next thing is you can easily recover your password. So guys, it was the way how you can install or how you can download and install the trust wallet extension on the Google Chrome. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I'll catch you in the next one.